Hello and welcome to TensorGrip. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spray TensorGrip adhesive using the professional TensorGrip gun. Now there's a few techniques that I'll be explaining that will give you increased coverage, an optimal bond, and also a better finished product. So the first technique I'm going to explain today would be hold the gun 100 ml from the surface while spraying the adhesive. Always spray with a stop-start spray pattern. I'm going to start at one side and stop at the other side. What you don't want to do is hold the gun on, because what you're getting is a thicker layer of glue at the end of each run. Now I'll also point out, while I was 100 ml away, I was also doing a 50 ml overlap on a 100 ml wide fan spray. This also means that if you're doing a 20 millimeter wide fan spray, overlap by 10 millimeters. So a 50% overlap. This will give you the best bond strength. Now, if you want to adjust the spray pattern, it is this wheel here, behind the trigger. So if you want to get a 100 ml wide fan spray, it's usually about 5 turns of the wheel, and that is mostly optimal with the hissing sound that I'll explain right now. So you should be able to hear that real loud hissing sound from the gun. I'll also show you what it does when it's too wide. It's not as loud, so I'll go back to the correct. That is the right noise you're looking for. Now, I'm also going to show you how fast you should be moving from side to side. That is the correct speed, and you can see there is a nice web spray pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate too slow. Too much adhesive. Too fast, you can see the web is starting to get a curve on it. That is perfect. You see, the web's very straight and close together. Okay, so the adjustment wheel here to whatever width you want with a 50% overlap. 100 ml away from the surface with the stop-start technique. That'll give you the great bond and the best coverage with the best looking end piece. Thanks for watching.